So I've just come out for a short ride because I need to make 2 really quick videos, and I want to test my new GoPro. So I don't think most people are going to be able to tell the difference, but right now I'm on the GoPro 11 Black. Get it, son. Anyway, this first video, I wanted to update you guys on my Gabro racing map that I have installed on this 2022 Tuono V4 factory. So I bought the up map kit from AF1 Racing. I made a video and I installed the Gabro racing tune. That was about 6 weeks ago maybe. So when I uploaded the tune, I did have the latest version of Gabro Racing's tune on it as of, what month are we? Like August, October 2022. And I still had that issue where the idle was going all lumpy. After the bike was hot and you left it idle, it would sort of idle for a bit and then it would sort of start chugging. And I had the Gabro racing tune and everybody was saying, oh, it should have fixed it, and I'm sure for most people it did. Anyway, Gabro himself reached out to me, flicked me a message, which was, and I gotta say, he's a super nice guy. He was really helpful, and I tried to make it really clear that it wasn't Gabro, it wasn't the Gabro racing tune's problem, because the bike had that lumpy idle issue when it was completely stock standard with the standard exhaust and everything. It's an Aprilia issue, not a Gabro racing tune issue. He just published it because he wanted to post a fix. Anyway, so he reached out and he had another tune available that hasn't been released yet. I still don't think it's been released, but a few people have tried it. And I have that on my bike now, and the issue is gone. The funny thing is that he told me he hasn't changed anything in this tune that would have fixed the issue. The one I had on it should have fixed the issue. So I think the problem is that somehow, and neither of us could find out why, but somehow the upload process through the upmap system didn't work properly. Even though the tune was on my bike, it didn't, maybe it didn't upload properly or something. Maybe there's some other weird issue of just the specific serial number of bikes, because I did have another comment on that video saying that he had the Gabro racing tune and still had the same issue as well. So weird. But anyway, I'm assuming that that could be the case, or maybe it just didn't fix it, and what Gabro's new tune did was just lower the fan temps by a little bit, which keeps the idle slightly cooler. So I'm thinking maybe that was the fix. I could be wrong on that, but it seems like that's the case. Anyway, regardless of that, the tune that I have on now is Gabro's latest one. Like I said, it has the lower fan temp, so the fans kick in at a lower temperature, hence keeping it cooler when it's idling. Not by a hell of a lot, but enough. And my problem with the idle is gone. So I gotta say again, thanks so much to Gabro for reaching out and you know, talking to him personally. Really nice guy. Yeah, I also feel like the bike is running a little bit better. It's a little bit smoother again, which is strange, but anyway, I just wanted to make that quick update. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.